if you know you are going to write the upcoming JAMB examination, that is, you are going to write JAMB in 2025, then these are things you need to start doing now. Because now one of the main reasons why large majority of students, over 60 to 70% of students, score below 180 is because due to lack of adequate work preparation. Now you see students who know that they want to write JAMB examination, they wait till 1 month, 2 weeks, or one week to exam before they start reading. Now, this is the reason why there's a lot of failure. The thing is that there's no magic trick to scoring well in JAMB. If you check those guys or those students who have done well, who have passed JAMB very well, like 250, 280, 300, 350, and the rest. These are students who prepare ahead of time. These are students who already know that they will write the JAMB exam next year, and the only way they can score very and achieve their goal is by what? Proper what preparation. Do you understand? So this is what we want to do here. Now, for those guys who have already made up your mind that you want to write JAMB, now once JAMB form come in 2025, you want to write the exam. Please do this simple thing here. I'm going to share with you. Now, the first thing we want to do here is what? Cover out or bring out 3 hours to study on a consistent basis. You understand? So we have 24 hours, you get. Now, no matter how busy you are, no matter how your schedule look like, or probably you're working or you still go to school, then you should be able to bring out 3 hours out of the 24 hours to study on a consistent basis. You get. Now, this is the 3 hours you are investing into your future. You are investing into getting a high score in your next JAMB examination, and this is going to help you a lot. You get. Now, this is going to help you cover most of the things you need to cover, then build your confidence. Do you understand? So you have to cover 3 hours. This 3 hours is an investment to your future. Just it's an investment to yourself. It's an investment to you scoring very high. You get. The thing is that if you cannot bring out 3 hours to read on a constant basis, then you are not serious enough. Now, JAMB exam should be about April in 2025. Just JAMB exam should be about April 2025. Now, if you should count the months from now to April 2025, you have about 9 months. Imagine you are reading 3 hours for straight 9 months. Now, what is going to stop you? Nothing is going to stop you. Now, you have enough time to cover the most important topics, cover majority of the things you need to cover, and revise all the past questions. Just so that number one, bring out 3 hours to study on a consistent basis. If you cannot do this here, it means that you are not serious and you are not ready. Number two, read one subject a day. Now, JAMB have about four subject combinations. So, irrespective of your four subject combination, you should be reading one subject a day. If you are writing math, chemistry, physics, biology, then you should set the timetable that Monday, this is what you are going to read. Tuesday, this is what you are going to read. Wednesday, this is what you are going to read. Till Sunday, you have to derive a steady timetable. You get. So you must read one subject a day in that 3 hours. You get. Don't worry, I'm going to give you strategies to read and understand. I can structure your reading time. You get. What the productive and effective way to study. You get. Probably is going to be in another video. Just so step number 2 is to what? Read one subject a day. Now, step number 3 what we have to do here is that try as much as possible to cover one topic in your reading time session. If, for example, now you are writing mathematics and you are learning indices, you get. Now, try as much as possible to finish everything in that indices, you get, and solve more questions. So each of your study time session should cover at least a topic. If you cannot cover a topic, at least you should go far in that topic and solve more questions. That is, you have a target. So every of your reading time session should have what you need to cover. Now, if you can do these 3 key things for now till your JAMB examination, guess what? You are going to cover majority of the topics and you are going to do well in the exam. Now, why am I saying this here? Now, in last year's exam, I tutor a lot of students. You get, and I discovered that those students who really score very high are those students who started learning with us right from time. You get. Now they started their reading, they start learning right from time. Now I discovered those students who do not do very well I discovered that they did not start reading on time. So started like 2 months to the exam or 1 month to the exam. Do you understand? So you have an option to pick. Is that what you start reading for now and cover the majority of things you need to cover? Then wait till 9 minutes and stress yourself enough and yet score very low. So there's no shortcut to success. You get now for you to succeed, you need careful planning. You need to what plan yourself ahead. You need to plan yourself ahead. You need to know that this is what I'm going to achieve. This is what I want to achieve, and these are the steps that will take me there. You get so I'll be creating videos that will help you in your preparation process when it was comes to what jam. So if you're just start following me here, please start following me here. Now, if you need a private tutor for maths, chemistry, and physics, you send me a DM because I also have private session where we interact, where I teach students privately. You get through Zoom meeting. So no matter where you are, you can join Zoom meeting. You get so if you think that you need a private class for either maths, chemistry, and physics, or anywhere you think that you have challenges on and you need the help, I'm here to be of help to you. So just send me a message on WhatsApp. Then discuss the price. Then we start our private class. Just see you in my next video.